Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about has method in the map object. So what it does, it returns a boolean indicating that is that having that or not, just that, nothing more else. So we need to pass a specified key. So just show you that map1 equals, use the new operator, create map object. Oh, map, and after that what we're gonna do, use the map1 dot set method, and inside there what we're gonna do, pass bar, and after that what we're gonna do, foo. That makes sense. After that what we're gonna do is check that is that map have that or not. So you are making an app where you need that, is that player had that, in a game, is that player have that achievement or not. If that achievement, or if that guy is possess that level of the gaming, so it can unlock that game. So this is where you can use those bar. So is that having a not, so you're gonna say true. If I change it to like foo, you're gonna say true. Oh yeah, false. What the heck? Yeah, because it's a second argument, and if we change into buzz, it doesn't contain that, so it's gonna say false. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.